Have you ever tried to change a habit only to find yourself slipping back into old patterns? It's not just a matter of weak willpower. Your brain is actually doing exactly what it was designed to do. Our brains resist change and crave familiarity, even when that change is good for us. But what if you could work with your brain instead of against it? In this video, I'm going to share 5 science-backed strategies that will help you break through mental resistance and create lasting, effective changes in your life. So stay with me until the end, and if you find this topic interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Okay, why is change so hard? Our brains are wired to stick to what's familiar, which is why breaking a habit or starting something new always feels uncomfortable. Here's a simple test. Cross your arms like you normally do. Now, switch them the other way. Feels weird, right? That's exactly what happens when you try to change your habits. Habits form when conscious actions become automatic, making up nearly 50% of our daily behaviors. The brain doesn't ask whether a habit is good or bad. It just stores it to save energy. So the real question is, if change is so difficult, how can we trick our brains into forming new habits? That's where these 5 science-backed strategies come in. 5 science-backed strategies for lasting change. 1. You can't counter emotions with logic. When facing change, your brain automatically triggers fear and anxiety. If you try to suppress these feelings with logic alone, it won't work. Instead of ignoring or fighting your emotions, take a moment to acknowledge and understand them. Observing them without judgment is the first step forward accepting the change. 2. Identify what's in it for you. Even positive changes can feel uncomfortable because our brains are wired to stick with what's familiar and easy. To stay motivated, find a personal and compelling reason to embrace the change. Instead of saying, I want to exercise because it's healthy, say, I want to exercise so I can feel more confident at social events. Or, I want to feel stronger and more energized every day. 3. Identify barriers and plan for them in advance. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with change is that small obstacles turn into big excuses. For example, want to start running in the morning? Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Want to eat healthier? Meal prep in advance. Want to start reading more? Put your phone away and set a timer for reading. 4. Surround yourself with the right people. Negative and toxic people drain your energy and can make change harder. Take a look at the people around you. Are they supporting your growth or holding you back? If it's the latter, it might be time to reconsider your social circle. Spend more time with positive and encouraging people who inspire and uplift you. 5. Keep the big picture in mind. When you're in the middle of making a change, it might feel like you're making no progress at all. But remember, every change takes time, and in the end, it makes you a stronger, better version of yourself. Trick your brain and make change easier. If you want to build a new habit, you have to change the way you think. The human brain is incredibly adaptable and capable of learning and rewiring itself. But to make that happen, you have to step out of your comfort zone. So, make a decision right now. What's one small change you've been meaning to make? Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 strategies you're going to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be the first to see my next videos. Thank you for sticking around. Until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.